Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you the best Blue Yeti settings for recording. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. There are two short methods for you to do so. First, you can either go to Logitech G Hub and then select the first one right here, where it's going to introduce you the software which you can download and use for adjusting the settings. Once you click on Download G Hub, it's going to open up with this launcher, and then you're going to simply click on Install. And now it's going to be initializing and installing the program on your computer. If you already have a Logitech microphone that is connected, then it's automatically going to detect it and then set on the settings for it so that you can adjust them. Once you are in, it's going to ask you to maybe create an account, but you can just click on skip, and then from here you can just click on yes, and then you just confirm. And then once you are here, you can see connect your Logitech gear. Once you connect your microphone, you can just go ahead to the settings. And then from the settings, you can then adjust your microphone settings. But for me personally, when I record something, I use OBS. And so I'm going to show you the best settings for OBS that I use for recording with the microphone that makes me sound like this. So as you can see right here, once I launch it, let's hide it. This is the audio mix section. And then from here for the microphone aux, just going to click on it and click on filters. Once you go to the filters, you can see those three settings. I set personally a 3-band equalizer. This is set to 2.9 high, mid, -4.3, and low, -1.2. Go to noise suspension, and then you can set it as peaks, which is low using low CPU usage. Or you can go to RNN noise, good quality, and more CPU usage. And you can set the suspension level to be around -17 dB. And then for the gain, I set it to be around this much because it will just be balancing for both the saturation and the gain. And so my voice will never go upside down too much. And then from here, finally, I just set the microphone close to my mouth and I set it to be around -20 to -25, just for it to be right here in the settings, for that to -10 dB, so that my voice could be clear. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.